everyone, and thank you for watching my today's Aliexpress what's in my basket. So we have lots and lots of gorgeous embellishments today, and we're starting off with this gorgeous flat back colourful butterflies, and they're 10 pieces for £1.55. Just absolutely stunning. Love the green ones, but also love these next ones that are coming up, these pinky blue with the gold, and they will just spruce up any project that you're working on. And butterflies are definitely one of my favorites. Yeah, I found a great seller on AliExpress that just sell the most amazing embellishments, as you are going to see. Then we have these resin rhinestone squares. They are 20 pieces for £1.55, and they do come in different colours, as you can see here from the pictures. Don't really put many squares on things, but I think that they would be interesting to try out, definitely. So that's what I'm doing. As you can see, lots of different colours here, so you can match them with the projects that you're working on, and colour coordinate, as I would say it. Lots of different blue and greens. This next green one, just gorgeous, where it's like a greeny blue, isn't it? And then there are these pink resin roses, flatback roses, 30 pieces for £1.55. Just adorable. Love the baby pink colour that they are in. Really sort of vintage, shabby chic. Would go lovely with lace, and you know, it's not just card making, it's, you know, journals, card making, tags, decorating boxes. I just love embellishments, cannot get enough. Then we have flatback leaves. They are 10 pieces for £1.55, and they're almost like peacock feathers, aren't they? Very, very stunning. Very stunning. Then coming up, we have teardrop flatback embellishments, and they come in all different colours. Very, very shiny and shimmery, and you get 50 pieces for £1.55. Just a great choice. I think you can order an assortment of colours in one pack, or you can order the individual colours. Yeah, I just thought it'd be interesting to try these out. It's not like, you know, we go for round things or flowery things or butterflies, but these are teardrops. So I got an interesting one coming up now. Look at these mermaid tails. Have you ever seen anything so cute? You get 40 pieces for £6.15, and you know, you can choose to just have colours, but I think you can get a multicoloured pack as well. Just adorable. Look, I've never seen anything like it. They're just so cute. So cute. Then we have these 20-piece flower embellishments, £1.55. They're almost like icing, aren't they, for cake decorations? That's what these remind me of. They remind me of piping roses that you would make, or with the little moulds, aren't they? But very lovely. Then we have these blue round, they're like flower embellishment, round embellishments, 12 pieces for £1.55, and they're quite big, but I didn't write down the size of them, but yeah, they're quite a nice size. Then look at these fish scale round resin embellishments, 80 pieces. They're 12mm for £1.55, so you get quite a lot in a pack. More butterflies for you. These gorgeous pink butterflies, 80 pieces for £1.55. I think these are adorable, and you know, you could put a couple on a card. They're little, but I think that they're very, very pretty. I've got quite a few butterflies in this shopping basket today. We have these pastel AB butterflies, and they're 10 pieces for 78p. Very cute and lovely colour. Then what have we got now? Right, we have these in gold or silver. They're just little gems. They're 12mm gems, and you get 40 pieces for 93p. And like I said, you either get them in the gold or the silver, so you can choose. whichever takes your fancy. More teardrops coming up. These are just green rhinestone teardrops, 20 pieces for 78 pence. And this is what I call pocket money embellishments. Really, they are. You know, you go into some places and they're quite expensive. But right, gold peacock eyes, £1.37 for 20 pieces. Haven't written down the size. I do apologise, but these are a nice big size anyway. Just very different. And then more sort of teardrop embellishments. These are this lovely greeny blue, 30 pieces for £2.05. I love the way that they're the different shades, the different colours, the AB sort of colouring on there. And you can get these in different colours, as you're going to see now. So there's the pink, the blue, the green. I'm not sure if they have any other colours. I've ordered the 3 colours. Then we have these AB rhinestone resin flatback teardrops. Now these are small. They're 180 pieces for £2.05. As you can see that they're quite dinky, but very, very cute and adorable to put on your projects. And then we have different sizes coming up. This is a large teardrop rhinestone drops. They are 12 pieces for £1.37. Oh, I'm terrible. I did not write the sizes down on everything today. I don't know. It's because I was trying to remember everything and write it all down for you. A lot of AB sort of colour embellishments today. We have these coloured pattern embellishments, and these are 8 pieces for £1.37. And as you can see, different colours for you to choose. I like this next one that's coming up, my unicorn sort of colours. And then we have these snake patterned AB hearts. They're £1.37. And I didn't write down how many. I do not know. I think you get quite a few in a pack. Lots of different colours to choose from, or you can have the mixed colours, I think. These next ones are these flower hearts. Now these I love. Look at these. You get 60 pieces for £1.37, and lots of different colours to choose from. Very, very, very pretty these are. I have ordered these in the mixed colours. Lots of hearts today. And if you like your gemstones, these are turquoise flatback hearts, and you get 40 pieces for £1.37. Love my gemstones. Then we have these. Okay, you get 100 pieces of these pearl hearts, and they are £1.37. So 100 pieces, you get quite a few in there to keep you going. And these gold hearts are 250 pieces. They're 12mm, so they are a lovely size, and they're £6.84 for 250 pieces. So great for weddings. So you don't even have to have these for your card making and crafts. You can have them for weddings, etc. So thank you for watching my today's Aliexpress what's in my basket, or what's in my Aliexpress basket, whichever way you want to look at it. Please like and subscribe. I will leave a link in the description below for all of the products. Take care for now. Bye bye.